Hi friends, today I am here to tell you that if we uninstall WhatsApp, then from the same phone or from any other phone, we can open WhatsApp from the same uninstalled number. Then, how we will backup and recover our old WhatsApp photos and videos? First of all, those who didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, now I'm going to tell you that how we will backup and recover WhatsApp in an easy way. First, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. You can see that these all are my chats. Then from these chats, I'm going to show you how to recover. On the right side, you can see three dots. Click and go to settings and then go to chats. Then open chat backup. Then from down, you can see include videos option. If you want to recover videos, click on that and then click backup option. This backup is so simple, this will not take long time. After doing this, I am going to uninstall my WhatsApp. Then again I am going to install WhatsApp from Play Store. OTP will be asked, enter OTP and open WhatsApp. You can also open WhatsApp by doing this. A restore option will be there. If you back up earlier, then you can click restore option. Now WhatsApp will be restored. You can see old WhatsApp chats on these chats. I opened this by putting all my details. A backup frequency option will be appear. Their daily, monthly, weekly, never options will be there. This is for backupping. What you need, you select that. I just select never option because I don't want to backup. So I choose never option. After giving this and by coming back, you can see the old chats which I showed you will be same on this chat. Use this. This will be useful for you. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share, and do not forget to press the bell button. Thank you.